Alright, so besides pipes on this channel, I'm also probably going to post things about my hobbies, kind of like Stogie Farts with his amazing aquaponics, which I might even try that. But as I told you, my main thing is diesel, hence the TheDieselPiper. So got my truck over here and just finished up doing a new exhaust on it. There we go. Got now a 4-inch exhaust over the stock 3-inch and whatever. So there we got an extra piece of the pipe plus the old pipe. There you go. There's a little comparison. So we're working with a whole lot more exhaust. Plus we don't have to deal with the diesel particulate filter, which is the equivalent of a catalytic converter. So I took that off. And this giant clunky old junk muffler that makes it quiet as a church mouse and restricts the whole engine. So we got that off. I've been railing around town making noise and whatnot, but luckily it's not too much louder than stock. It's not like that annoying droning noisy sound. I'll give you a quick sound clip here. God, my nose is starting to run. It's so cold. So, yeah, so it's not really obnoxiously loud or anything, but it still sounds good. Performs better. That's what it's all about, getting good gas mileage these days. So, got a little bit of a throat here. So, let's see if I can stand this phone up over here. Alright. I got to stand it up against the snow. Hopefully it doesn't ruin it. Get you a little bit of a sound clip. Alright, so that's it. Anyway, here's my lovely wife. That's Angela. She's the one that got me the awesome lighter. Anyway, we gotta go. We got an appointment to be at. So, we're gonna load up in the truck, go roll around town, make some noise, piss people off. Have a good one.